Many companies offer insurance top-ups to give employees extra financial protection during unexpected situations like illness or accidents. But many employees hesitate to sign up, fearing it might benefit the company more than themselves. Asian Paints tackled this challenge by partnering with India's top awareness agency, BRC, and using engaging street theatre to break down barriers and encourage employees to take advantage of these valuable benefits.
It's a story of a common man.
सेविंग्स का खाता तो बिल्कुल नील बराबर है.
Something like a skit or something like a play which happened today, it actually affected people on a deeper level.
In terms of the content, in terms of the intent, it was made very beautifully, and in terms of the art, in terms of the artist, it was very engaging to this point.
आज का तो सब सही चल रहा है. कल का कल देख लूंगी.
कल की तैयारी हम कल पे नहीं छोड़ सकते, उसे आज ही करना पड़ेगा.
BRC's regional street theatre team effectively conveyed a central message about benefits linked to insurance top-ups across various regions.
By doing this kind of skits about the topper and the medical policy, it will definitely build the awareness among the teams.
Especially the simplification of concepts. This was the perfect medium of communicating with someone from the blue collar.
अगर हम सच में खुद को कर्ज के जाल से बचाना चाहते हैं, तो हमें इंश्योरेंस टॉपअप जरूर लेना चाहिए.
BRC's regional street theatre teams used vernacular languages to reach the diverse audience of Mysuru in Kannada, Ankaleshwar in Gujarati, Kasna and Rohtak in Hindi, Khandala in Marathi, Sri Perumbudur in Tamil, Vishakhapatnam and Patancheru in Telugu.
I see other people and their reaction over this, so they actually enjoy it. So I think it is better that if it's there in local language so that more people can connect.
टॉपअप तो खाली खोटो खर्चो है.
हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस से खोटो खर्चो नहीं, पर તમારી આવતી કાલની તૈયારી છે.
This initiative, conducted in collaboration with a leading insurance literacy facilitator, covered 8 manufacturing units over 8 days in March 2024, emphasizing the key benefits of insurance top-ups.
There were some myths that were there, now those myths have been resolved. This session actually helped with the awareness.
बिना और देर करे आज ही जाए और अपना टॉपअप कराए.
Good organizations prioritize employee care, but great ones invest in enhancing employees' life skills. At Asian Paints, we are committed to being more than just a good employer. We aspire to be great by continuously striving to empower our employees with campaigns like Kal Ki Tayari, an insurance top-up literacy program that we launched.
At the end of the session, when you were asking people how many of them will be taking the insurance top-up, I think this is the first time I have seen everyone raising their hands. The main reason being that they understood why top-up was necessary.